Hey everyone, okay, so I am shiny. Let's make myself a little shinier, shall we? For the purpose of this tutorial, because why not? Then at least you can see the product in action. So my skin is quite reflective, and that's because of the amount of sunscreen that I've got on currently. It's in my beard as well. But apart from the silver fox thing going on, a couple of videos ago I was talking about a powderless product and everybody was asking me what it was, and I did write it in the comments, but you know, so this is the review for it. This is the product. It is a powderless powder, and this one is again from QVC, and it's the Mali Beauty, and I think it is called the what is it called? Evercolor Poreless Face Defender, and it comes with a sponge. It's all delightful. So I'm going to show you on half my face. I'm going to make it a bit more shiny actually. I'll show you on half my face how this works, the benefits of it, and not just this product, there are others very similar, and of course some of the negatives, because there's always something with a product. Oh, I've got to get this sunscreen out of my beard. So it turns out that most of the sunscreen in my beard wasn't sunscreen at all. I'm just getting old. Silver fox. I wish my hair was grey. I'll tell you that, I would love it. Anyway, face defender, face protector, face defender. So there are other similar products on the market. Ray Morris does one, which is more expensive, is very good. Benefit actually used to do one that's very similar. I think it was called Dr. Feelgood, but I might be wrong. It's a silicone-based product that when you apply it to the skin, it instantly mats out that area. Now the benefits of this is that there is no texture and no powder. So for those of you who don't like powder, and there are lots of people, personally I don't know why, I love powder, but there are lots that don't. So this doesn't add texture. There is a few caveats to this. Ray Morris is a great example. When you see her using hers, she swirls it with one of her makeup brushes, and you can't really do that because it moves the foundation. You have to do a pat and press motion. And I saw a lot of comments, people saying that it was moving their foundation because they were following along. You know, Ray Morris applies foundation very sheerly, which is why things don't move. So I'm just going to use the sponge and I'll show you. You just pat it into the product, or you can move in downward strokes. So whatever you want, but the goal here is to get some product obviously onto the sponge. I'm going to mat out one side of my face in its entirety. So you can already see the shine here, and it's pretty much gone all over this side, and I'll do half the face here as well. Yes, there is nothing on my skin, by the way, apart from obviously that sunscreen that I put on. And there you go. I haven't really made a dent in it, so the product can last. And the skin, you know, looks matte, especially compared to the other side. Absolutely. So there's the shine, and there's the instant matte. The caveat with this is it does set, and this is with all of them universally, they do set, but they don't at the same time. Nothing will compare to powder at setting foundation. So what these really do is just mattify the skin. Now there's nothing wrong with that, but for those of us who have very oily skin, you're going to be mattifying throughout the day. Now, makeup maintenance is a very real thing, and we shouldn't think that we can apply something and it just lasts all eternity. It just doesn't work that way. But you will have to be doing constant touch-ups throughout the day to maintain the look. You won't build up on the skin either, but it is a necessary evil, I'm afraid. I mean, there's the matte side. Might just do a little bit more. 1 second. Just on, there we go. So there's the matte side, and there's the untreated side. It is quite a contrast. You look in my little mirror here. I mean, it's a great, great product. I bought 4 of these when I saw them on QVC, and I'm really pleased I did. I love it. I've got a tiny baby one that came with it, which I pop in my pocket because I generally look like this most of the day. I'm just really shiny and oily, and I love it. I think it's excellent. But don't be misled into thinking that it will truly set the same way powder does, because it just doesn't work that way. But for those of you who hate powder or want to try something different, it is epic. Really, really epic. Thanks for watching. Link in the description, of course, and I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.